Facing a critical Windows failure due to the Sccore Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. To begin the walkthrough for Sccore Library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Sccore Library, the System Component Core Library. It provides foundational unmanaged routines for modern Windows component orchestration. It is critical for the management of the WinRT application lifecycle and system-level resource manifests. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Sccore Library DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Sccore library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Keep in mind that Sccore Library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Sccore Library. If Sccore Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.